So hi guys, I am Sumit. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can create filters for filtering WooCommerce products using Bricks Builder's native filter elements. This is the overview or live demo of the filters we are going to create. And this is the desktop view, and on the tablet, here is the live demo of the filters we are going to create. Hit the button to open and close the filter off canvas, and you can just click and apply all these filters and close it. All the applied filters or active filters will appear here on the top of the products. Okay, and before creating the filters, let's have a look at BricksCart Child theme. If you are looking for a complete e-commerce solution for your next project or for an existing project, you can use this BricksCart Child theme that will help you to uh, improve your workflow immensely, and you can get it here on the BricksPixel.com. I have added the link below in the description of this video, and you can get it from here, and you can check the landing page where you will get to know all the features, the templates and all, and you can check the live demo. And this is the landing page, and here is the live demo. This is the pop-up template. You can close it, and here's the home page one. And if you want to check all the templates, you can come to this landing page and hover over it, both the home page, shop page or login page, and also you can check all these templates one by one by clicking here on the individual links. Okay, and here are some extra features comes with this BricksCart Child theme, and new custom elements for WooCommerce, and some other improvements and the plugins used with BricksCart. Okay, and you can check the my account area as well. You can come here on the login page, and you can use these demo credentials to log in and to check out the my account area. Okay, and if you have any other question about this child theme, you can just contact me by filling out all this info, or you can send your query on this email address. And now let's come back to the topic. So now let's start creating filters, and before creating filters, first we will create the button for tablet and mobile phones. This is the button we want to create. Normally it should be filters, and when off canvas is opened, then it should be closed. Okay, so to do that, let's come to the section and add a div inside the section. Place it here, select the div and add two buttons, and this should be open and this one should be closed. Okay, and we will use an off canvas element for filters. Reason is we do not want to duplicate the filters for separately for desktop and tablet. We will just use an off canvas element, and we'll remove the off canvas effect for desktop using some CSS, and then we will re-add the off canvas effect for tablets and mobile. Okay, and this will help us to uh, re-add all the element for uh, tablet and desktop. Okay, and we can use the same filter elements for both desktop and tablets. Okay, so now add add an off canvas element, and just delete both these elements and come back to the off canvas. First of all, just add the shop filter off canvas, copy the CSS ID and then come back to the div, and here just hide it, display none, because we do not want to show this these buttons or this div for desktop, and we only want to show it for tablets or mobile phones. So now display none and come back to the display landscape or sorry tablet, and now do it display block, and now set layout settings. Position should be fixed, and bottom to RAM, left to RAM, and G-index 9999, and overflow should be hidden. Okay, and here should be some CSS, and this is the CSS we want to use. And this is the CSS that will help us to display or display hide for when the off canvas is open or closed. So this is the normally initially the off canvas close button. This one, let me rename the text filters and style none and add me the button primary. This is the class I have already created with some style, so you can also create very easily and style this one with close, no style and button black. Okay, and you can style these buttons very easily, so I do not want to waste your time with this. And now come back to the div and okay, also add some two CSS IDs on both of these buttons. Show filter open button and show filter close button, and you can see the button is or the close button is already hidden now. Though, so this is the CSS that is doing all that. So normally the show filter close button is hidden and display none, and the bricks content has this will help us hiding the show filter open button when the off canvas is open. Like when the off canvas is opened, this new class added by bricks on the off canvas element. So when bricks content will have show filter off canvas element plus bricks open class, the filter open button will disappear, and when this class will have on the off canvas element, then display block will be this close button. Okay, and now come back to the div and add an interaction and select the trigger click and toggle off canvas, and let's add the CSS ID of this off canvas element. Okay, and come back to the interaction here and paste the CSS ID here. Okay, and I think it should be, yes, it should be this like this. Okay, and save changes and come back now to the desktop. Okay, this is the container. Now let's start by adding our filters, but before that let's add some styles to the column and off canvas element. This is the style on container, flex settings, direction and line cross axis. And now come to column and let's add some width. So column filter column, I want to make it 25%, but you can add as per your requirement, and 75% for products. Okay, and add some or you can also add some gap between these columns. I have already added some gap medium. And now come to column again and add the max height 90 VH, and position should be sticky. Okay, and top 5 VH, overflow should be hidden. Okay, and on tablet landscape, or also this is the breakpoint. You can use any breakpoint like tablet 890. If you are using bricks builders native element, then tablet will be your breakpoint. You can make these changes like sticky and 25% settings on tablet or whatever breakpoint you are using for your tablet mode. Okay, but I'm using it here, and width should be 100%. Sorry, width should be 100% and z index 999. Okay, so that our off canvas or filter element should be always on the top of these products. Now come to desktop and select off canvas element. And first of all, disable autofocus. Autofocus is basically whatever element you have added, the first element will get an autofocus, but I do not want that, so just disabling it. And width should be 100%, and height, leave it. Area label could be show filters. Okay, now come to styles and add background white and CSS. Here we will add some CSS. So this is the CSS. This will basically remove the off canvas effect, but we want to remove the effect, off canvas effect, only for the desktop, and want to add back the off canvas effect on tablet mode. So just switch on the tablet mode and add some more CSS. Okay, so this is the off canvas effect back on the tablet mode and normal on the tablet on the desktop mode. Now come to mobile portrait, and width should be 90% and height 90 VH. Okay, now switch back to the desktop and select the off canvas content. Okay, now come to style and select the padding bottom. So with this we want to add some extra room at the bottom of uh, filter elements. Okay, so add 100 pixel and width and height should be 90 VH. Okay, and okay, now come to tablet landscape. It should be top 5 VH and add some classes. We will add some padding classes, padding TB, padding top and bottom medium, padding left and right small, and border light. Okay, border radius base, and scroll bar. This is the basically this adds, and this change the previous style of scroll bar. Normally, let me show you something. By default, our scroll bar looks like this, but we want to design it to make it look like something like this. Now let me change it back to desktop. Here you can see the scroll bar is a just light bar. Okay, just so to make it like this, we want to add this basic scroll. Basically, this adds some CSS that change the uh, change the appearance of scroll bar. Okay, and overflow y scroll, overflow x hidden, and all right. Okay, and gap medium. You can adjust all these values on as per your requirement, but these are like regular spacing or padding. Okay, now let's add all the filter elements one by one. First of all, add um, and also one more thing, we will wrap all the individual filters in another block. So just add a new block here and give it a name search, and now add the heading and add it, give it a name search. Okay, and add this one base. Okay, and give it a color, typography color, and add search filter search, and show products. This is you should target query, because this is the step where we connect this filter element with these products. Basically, this show product is coming from this products or query loop. I have given this query loop name show products, and this is the show product. This name is appearing here. So similarly, we will have to add connect all these filters. We will add here to this show filter query. Okay, and give it a name search. This is the basically URL parameter. When we will apply this filter or we will search here, this will be added as a prefix in the URL before the item will be before the searched item. Okay, and it should be applied on input, and all right. Okay, leave it like this and add some style, input size base, outline. Okay, and now add some gap small. Okay, and also add a border color. Come to border and light base. Okay, and this is our shop filter, oh sorry, search filter is ready. Similarly, we will add other filters, and we can remove this one as well. Add a divider to separate these individual filters. Okay, and select this, style it, show filter divider, Basically, I already have created this divider and style. Only height is 2 pixel and a color light base. Okay, nothing else. You can also create something like this. Now add the next filter. Come here and checkbox, filter checkbox, and this one shop products. And now it's stock, filter stock, apply on input and custom fill, and the meta key I also want to hide count, and meta key will be stock status underscore stock and status. Okay, this is the meta key responsible for filtering these in-stock products. Okay, we can style. Let me reload the canvas. I think that's why it is not appearing. Okay, all right, this one is appearing now. Mode should be checkbox to button, and circular yes, background busy white, sorry base, and right now I'm using some static value for border width, but you should use variables to make the design consistent and dynamic. Okay, solid and base, all right. And let's change the label. Okay, custom add in stock. This will basically replace this text in stock. Okay, you can enter any text whatever you want to replace with. And now this is the ready. Rename it and add this. Also wrap it inside another block. Okay, give it a you can rename it and add some gap small, and now this time on sale. Basically with Bricks native elements you can't add this on sale filter, but I am using BricksCart Child theme. That's why I have added some custom code, and with the help of that I am able to filter products on sale. But by default with Bricks you can only filter non-variable products, because that's not possible with native Bricks at this moment to filter out variable products as well. So you can only filter uh, only simple products, but with BricksCart Child theme you can filter on sale variables and simple both. So for this time on sale, and the meta key will be products rating. Okay, and that's all. Let me refresh it, and no, I think they're okay. I'm making a mistake. Basically, to filter out on sale products, we will have to select source taxonomy, and here we will have to select the taxonomy on sale product here, and okay, and let me select the alignment, this one, and done. Okay, now duplicate this divider, add it here, and duplicate it again, and all right, now add the range element, and this time we will add price filter. Okay, and select the shop products, and URL parameter should be price, or you can use whatever you want. Apply on input source custom field, and the meta key will be underscore price, and mode I will use slider, but you can use input as well, but I want to go with slider. And now you can also use label, minimum, and max. Okay, slider, and you can change. Let me add font family as well, and font size, base, and active filter. This is basically will appear here in the active filters. Okay, and you can add the prefix, whatever value or term will be selected in the filters. This active filter prefix will appear before the selected value or term. Okay, I want to give it price and empty for suffix. Okay, and now come to next one, add checkbox. Now we will add color filter, and also wrap this inside the block, and add the, let's copy this heading and paste it here, and rename it with price, and also add wrap this inside another block and give it a name, price, I think heading, sorry, give it a name color. And okay, now select the, rename it color filter, target query shop products, and URL parameter underscore color, apply on input and select taxonomy, and taxonomy should be product color, hide count, and you can hide empty as well, but I wanna leave it. Mode button and size, you can leave it, and circle yes. Background, let's add a background, or you can leave it normally, otherwise you can add a background color as well. And okay, also add the, sorry, I think it's a misclick, and add Lato 400 and base. Okay, and normally when you will add the color filter, it will appear, let me add a gap as well, all the color will appear as a name, but you can't add, but you can't show the real colors natively with Bricks elements. But if you are using BricksCart Child theme, then you can show the actual colors. Let me show you how. In you can preview in the inside the builder, but I have already installed the um, themes. BricksCart Child theme is already activate. So let me show you here. Refresh, you can see all the actual colors are visible here as a suffix, or sorry, prefix in the color filter. And but I want to show only colors without name, so we will do this by uh, typography and type font size 0, and letter spacing important, letter spacing should be 0. Okay, and add some CSS. So with the help of CSS, I will add these, I will make these colors without their label. Okay, and now refresh. Now you can see all the colors are appearing as a real color instead of just labels. So BricksCart here helps as well. Okay, and now come to the next one, and that will be size. Let me add it here, size, and rename it with size, and URL should be underscore size and product, and taxonomy should be product size. This is basically attribute here in the product attributes. Here I have created all the attributes, and you can configure other terms as well. And I am using ACF to show add the real colors, but that's a different thing. So we do not want to discuss it here, and just remove this custom CSS and the typography. Okay, now our size, our sizes are appearing perfectly, and add a border color as well, solid and dark base. Okay, let's save changes, and next one is rating. Okay, let's duplicate it, and by default we can use only filter element. Let me show you filters, product filter, this one, to filter products on the basis of rating, and wrap up it in a block and add it here, and copy this and add it here, give it a name rating. Okay, select it and add the taxonomy or other, and product rating, stars, select the star icon, star, and active star, this one or this one. Okay, but we not want to show a title, so let's just hide it, gap small, and yeah, you can style these icons or rating typography as well. But I do not want to use this rating filter element, because this will basically reload the page whenever a customer will apply this rating star element, you can see the page is reloading, but I do not want that. So what I am doing is just using a BricksCart Child theme, and that is helping me uh, to use the range filter or range element. Basically, I have some custom code in the Bricks Child theme, and with the help of that, I can filter rating using the range filter element. Let me add the range element and this one show filter and rating input, apply on input, select custom field and products rating. Okay, products rating and add font family, base, font size and label, min and max. Okay, and you can also add active filters as well, rating rating, and on the front end we can see how it work. Okay, you can check, but let me delete this. Okay, now you can see our minimum rating is 1 and 5. Okay, between these customer can filter out products between rating 2 to 5, and here they can also filter out products rating between 2 and 3. So here BricksCart helps as well. And let's delete this one. So now the next one is categories. Just duplicate this, place it here and rename it categories and rating. Okay, now rename it categories and just delete it, copy this, paste it here. Okay, let me show you from scratch and checkbox. Okay, and select the shop products underscore categories, apply on input source taxonomy, and taxonomy should be product categories. Okay, and we want to show it as button circle, background color should be light beige, and the button border should be 1 pixel. Again, you should use variables here, solid and dark beige. Okay, hide count, add font family and font base. Okay, and save changes. So here, as you can see, we have created our filters very easily. Okay, I think we have just misalign these filters. Let me add them here. Let me replace. Okay, and just save changes. And all right. So here you can see, let's reset, and all our filters are reset. You can also add a button here below, reset button, filter reset, and okay, and target show products. And also you can redirect as well, but we want to add action reset and hide if no active filters. If there is no filter applied on the products, then this button will be hidden. Yes, we want that. And button style, button black. Okay, and reset, rename the text, reset filters and save changes. All right. Okay, as soon as we will apply this filter, we can reset with this button. Okay, and after resetting, as you can see, the button is disappear. And also you can hide this last divider as well. You can use this uh, interaction feature, select click action empty filters or something like that. Let me hide element, target self. Now select the yes filter empty and bricks id. You will have to basically copy the bricks id like this, and we'll have to paste it here, and you can add multiple ids. Okay, copy this and paste it. Add colon and control command v or control v and target self. And similarly you can add all these filters one by one, and this divider will be hidden. Okay, just save changes and refresh it. Okay, so we have created our filters successfully. Let's see on the tablet mode. Okay, and you can see our filters are working perfectly on desktop and tablet as well. Okay, our button is also changing from filter to close. Okay, so again, come to the BricksCart. If you want to buy this child theme, just go to the link below in the description of this video. You will land on this site, BricksPixel, and if you have any query, just send me your questions and I will try to help you as soon as possible. And you can just add to cart. You can check live demo landing page and just add to cart it and just view cart, or come directly go to checkout, and here you can add all these details and check out. So thanks for watching this video.